Hello guys, today I would like to teach you all how to share your page or invite your friend to like your new page or your business page. So firstly, you need to log in into your Facebook first. Afterwards, you need to go to the page option, the page menu, and then you need to choose which page you want to invite your friend to like. For example, I want to invite my friends to like the Academy page. So I just click the Big Academy page. Okay. Afterward, there are few options for you to invite your friends to like it. So today I will be teaching you one of the simple options to invite your friends to like. So let's go to the firstly go to the posting, and you click the posting, the likes for the posting. Then you may see that there are once invite buttons there. You just need to click the invite and you are done. You already invite the last mini to like your page. So you can just click it, and there was some limitations for you to invite your friends or maybe other people for each day. So maybe you can invite up to 200 people per day. I think this is the policy of the Facebook in 2021, so you need to follow it. So that's all for today. I would like to see you all in the next class. Bye bye.